Is there any way to skip finally block of exception even if some exception occurs in the exception block? If an exception is raised in try block, control passes to catch block if it exists, otherwise to finally block. Finally block is always executed when an exception occurs, and the only way to avoid execution of any statements in finally block is by aborting the code forcibly by writing following line of code at the end of try block. 1. System.exit 0. When the constructor of a class is invoked. The constructor of a class is invoked every time an object is created with new keyword. For example, in the following class two objects are created using new keyword and hence, constructor is invoked 2 times. Class have multiple constructors? Yes, a class can have multiple constructors with different parameters. Which constructor gets used for object creation depends on the arguments passed while creating the objects. Can we override static methods of a class? ANS, we cannot override static methods. Static methods belong to a class and not to individual objects and are resolved at the time of compilation, not at runtime. Even if we try to override static method, we will not get an completion error, nor the impact of overriding when running the code. Is string a data type in Java? String is not a primitive data type in Java. When a string is created in Java, it's actually an object of java.lang.string class that gets created. After creation of this string object, all built-in methods of string class can be used on the string object. In the below example, how many string objects are created? 5. String S1 equals I am Java expert. String S2 equals I am C expert. String S3 equals I am Java expert. ANS, in the above example, 2 objects of java.lang.string class are created. S1 and S3 are references to same object. Why strings in Java are called as immutable? ANS, in Java, string objects are called immutable as once value has been assigned to a string, it can't be changed, and if changed, a new object is created. In below example, reference str refers to a string object having value 1. One string street equals value 1. When a new value is assigned to it, a new string object gets created and the reference is moved to the new object. 1 str equals new value. What's the difference between an array and vector? ANS, an array groups data of same primitive type and is static in nature, while vectors are dynamic in nature and can hold data of different data types. What is multithreading? ANS, multithreading is a programming concept to run multiple tasks in a concurrent manner within a single program. Threads share same process stack and running in parallel. It helps in performance improvement of any program.